Ever seen a running shoe flex like this? Meet the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4. Look at how the upper and midsole can flex so extremely without losing their original shape. Adidas is truly not playing around with innovation. The design is more aggressive. The materials are thin and translucent, and of course, it's super lightweight. Watch closely as the Lightstrike Pro foam is compressed. It's plush, yet delivers insane energy return to propel you during a race. Underneath, the construction is built for maximum efficiency in every stride. On foot, the transition feels incredibly smooth from heel to toe off. The sharp rocker geometry makes you feel constantly pushed forward naturally. It's not just about speed. The heel stability has also received a significant upgrade, staying firm even during maneuvers. So, are you ready to smash your personal best with this latest technology? Don't forget to check the full details only at Glidners.